Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome, Gary.
Good morning and happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you too as well. Well, today we have a general question, and this came to us. Tell me, Gary, if a lawsuit is lost, does that make it frivolous?
No, we've talked about this before. The party bringing the action has a burden of proof. You have to prove there was a duty that was breached that caused an injury. So failure to prove any one of those four elements in a case, like a car wreck case, it defeats the case. So that losing it doesn't mean you were wrong. It just means the fact finder, the jury, or the judge decided you didn't meet your burden on something. So it doesn't make it frivolous. It just makes it didn't win.
Okay. Well, on that note then, are there too many frivolous lawsuits filed out there in the world today?
We hear this framed in that way so much, that they're frivolous lawsuits brought. We've been talking about that for the last couple of weeks, maybe in some of these election cases, really. Was there any merit to them? And the courts are finding no. So, but I hear it, of course, in connection with the kind of things I do. I'm not going to invest my time and energy in something that I don't think has merit, and I don't know of many lawyers who do, unless they're paid $20,000 a day, I guess. But if you, where I do see frivolous litigation is in some of the answers, some of the excuses, some of the defenses that are raised in everyday cases. We'll file a lawsuit where we know what happened. It's not really a dispute about what happened. And the insurance company lawyers will deny the wreck happened, they'll deny whose fault it was, they'll deny the sun came up that morning. I mean, anything to try and confuse issues or create a defense. As we sort through things, those defenses get peeled away, and they're usually dropped by the time we get in front of a jury or to a real fact finder. But delay happens through frivolous actions, hiding evidence. There's all kinds of things that we do during the course of a case, asking the judge for help sometimes in getting people to turn over documents. Is it frivolous, or is it just hard-nosed combat adversarial proceeding? I'll tell you, sometimes it's frivolous. And the juries do get an opportunity, if a frivolous defense is raised, to say, no, y'all shouldn't have done that. There's issues to be decided, maybe how much, but not who and why. And so they can impose sanctions in those situations.
Thanks, Gary, and we'll see you on the very next Legal Break.